Best online business ideas for beginners in 2026. Imagine waking up in 2026. Businesses that are growing fast and can completely change your financial future. Some of these opportunities are so powerful that people are leaving normal jobs to do them full-time. So watch this video carefully until the end, because one idea could become your future. Let's be honest, the world is changing fast. Traditional jobs are becoming harder. Competition is increasing. Prices are rising everywhere. And millions of people are realizing something important. Depending only on one income source is dangerous. That's why online businesses are exploding right now. Because the internet created opportunities our parents never had. Section 1. Why online businesses are the future. Think about this. Today, people use the internet for shopping, entertainment, learning, communication, business, marketing. That means attention is online. And where attention goes, money follows. Section 2. You don't need to be an expert. Here's the biggest myth. I'm not skilled enough. Wrong. Most successful online entrepreneurs started as beginners. They learned while building. Nobody becomes successful before starting. You become successful after taking action. Business #1 YouTube automation, one of the biggest online businesses in 2026. YouTube automation. This means creating videos without showing your face. You can make motivational videos, facts videos, AI storytelling videos, finance content, history videos, luxury lifestyle videos. You can use AI voiceovers, stock videos, simple editing apps, and once your channel grows, you can earn from ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing. BizTag2, AI content creation. AI is changing the world faster than most people realize. Businesses now pay people to create AI images, AI ads, AI scripts, AI social media posts, AI thumbnails. Tools like ChatGPT and AI image generators make this easier than ever. And the crazy part? This industry is still growing. 3. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is still one of the most beginner-friendly online businesses. You sell products online without keeping inventory. A supplier handles shipping while you focus on marketing. Many beginners fail because they quit too early, but people who learn marketing properly can build powerful stores. #4. Affiliate marketing. This business is perfect if you don't want to create products. You simply promote products online and earn commissions from sales. Examples include Amazon products, software tools, courses, apps. One viral video or successful post can generate passive income. #5. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money online as a beginner. You offer services like video editing, thumbnail design, social media management, writing, translation, AI services. And the best part, you can start with free skills. #6. Digital products. This is one of the smartest online business models. You create digital products once and sell them forever. Examples: ebooks, templates, presets, online courses, guides, no shipping, no inventory, no warehouse. Hang 7. Print on demand. You design products online and companies print them automatically. You can sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, posters. You don't need stock, you don't even need design skills anymore because AI can help. Hang 8. Social media management. Businesses need attention online. Many companies are terrible at social media. You can help them. Post content, edit reels, reply to comments, grow pages, and charge monthly fees. 9. Online teaching. If you know something valuable, you can teach it online. Examples: English, fitness, gaming, graphic design, business, study tips. Knowledge became a business. Hashtag 10. Personal brand business. This is one of the most powerful long-term businesses. You build an audience around business first. Mistake hag 3. Waiting for perfect conditions. You will never feel fully ready. If you actually stayed disciplined. Imagine making money online, helping your parents, escaping financial stress, having freedom, building your dream life. That future is possible, but only if you stop waiting and start building. So remember this: you are not too late. You are not too broke. You are not too inexperienced. The internet created opportunities bigger than ever before. And the people winning right now are not always the smartest people. They are the people who took action. If this video inspired you, then don't waste this motivation. Comment below, "I will build my online business." And make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. Because this channel is for future entrepreneurs who refuse to stay average. Your future can change in 1 year, but only if you start today. Thanks for watching.